Hi all, and welcome back to my tutorial on how to make the balance badge. So I've opened all my UV in Photoshop and I'm going to rename layer 1 UV. To rename a layer, just double click on it. Then I'm going to add a new layer, and this will bring up layer 1. Move that underneath the UV, double click on this and call it black. Then I'm going to go over here to fill colour, and this should already be on black. If not, just move it down there, and I'm going to click on the screen several times. Then I'm going to go up here. Now I'm not, still need to do things. I'm going to go back on UV, and I'm going to change the colour to, let's say, that colour. And I'm just gonna select these sides. This should give my badge a nice amber looking rim. I would then go back up here, choose a lighter amber and select the middle. And I would then go on this black and press the bin icon to delete the bin. To delete the black. And that'll give me that. So now I'm going to go to black again. I'm just going to select all the bits in between the yellow. Like so. And there you go. That'll be our balance badge. So you want to go to File, Save As, and save it where you want. You want to save it as a PNG because PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic, and you are crossing the Save the PNG across networks because Photoshop is a network and you want it to be used for 3ds Max. After you save date, you'll get a box saying, are you sure? Say yes, and that'll be it. You can then close Photoshop and just drag your PNG save file from File Explorer and put it onto your object in 3ds Max, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Oh, and like and subscribe.